we are going to go over the single rhythm time step. I'm going to demonstrate it quickly and then I will break it down for you. Okay, breaking it down. It goes shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, flap, step. 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 That flap step front is a rock step. Flap, rock step. Flap, rock step. That means you're putting your weight forward, then back. Forward, then back. That's how you end that rhythm time step. Forward, then back. So your weight change is a rock step, which is forward and back. Again, shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, rock, step. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, front, rock, step. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, flat, front, rock, step. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, front, rock, step. All right, a little bit faster. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, flap, step. 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 Having a hard time balancing on just your toes, you can do it flat-footed, and I'm going to show you what it looks like that way. Technically, tap should be up on your toes, but if you have bad knees, or if you're older, or if your balance is off, and it's not what it used to be, or if you're just marking, you can do it flat-footed. Okay, so we're going to do it slow, broken down, flat-footed. Ready? And shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, flap, step. Technically those aren't steps, but I'm just going to call them steps for argument's sake. Ready? And shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, flap, step. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, flap, step. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, flap, step, flap, step. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, 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 step, flap, step. If you are doing it flat-footed, be sure not to don't do your quote-unquote steps like this. Because that's two sounds. You want steps to be one sound. So if you put your foot down flat, it should also be one sound. Or I should say, if you're replacing steps with a stamp, make it flat-footed, not, because then you're adding sounds in the step that you don't want to add, and you've got extra sounds that technically don't belong there. So, breaking it down to counts. Rhythm time step goes. And the 1, and the 2, and 3, 4, and the 5, and the 6, and 7, 8. And the 1, and the 2, and 3, 4, and the 5, and the 6, and 7, 8. Usually that's how it's done, unless the music is syncopated and it calls for a different count. You can do it any way that you want to do it. But most music is to 8 counts that we tap to. and therefore you want your time steps to fit within those 8 counts. Okay, so 2 counts a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and go 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and go 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and go 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and go 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Single rhythm time step. Thanks for watching and keep on tapping.